Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and you're looking at a marvelous renovation at 1118 Whiskerlake Drive in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg in the I-95 highway. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, www.davidhomesforsale.nc.com. It's number 4. Subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching, and you can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. There's a parking pad and carport, privacy fence there around the backyard, and a very attractive brand new roof with architectural shingles, pretty brick veneer and fresh landscaping. Front porch there. Again, this is the carport. Wrought iron railing. And let's step inside. Everything you'll be seeing is pretty much brand new. Starting with these gorgeous laminate floors, fresh paint, fixtures, and much more. This is the formal dining room leading to the kitchen. And this is the living room with a fireplace. And this is the kitchen with a beautiful tile floor and this bay window for the breakfast nook. And there's the laundry room. You can also use it as some storage. And let's look at the rest of this kitchen. Everything is brand new with cabinets that go to the ceiling, granite counters, mosaic tile backsplash, track lighting. And here's the other side of the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. This is really nice. Here's a closer look at the counters and backsplash. I just love this kitchen. Here's the backyard. It is fenced in with this deck. There's a storage shed there with electricity to it. And 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths down the hallway. Here's the first 2 bedrooms. And the bathrooms are just as beautiful as that kitchen, and they do match. And this is the master bedroom. Leading to the master bath. There's the shower. Small walk-in closet there. Thanks so much for watching the tour. Give me a call to see this or any home for sale in town. 910-723-8888. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.